Following the world record performance by our under 20 girls at the recently concluded Carricka Games, it is clear to conclude one thing: Jamaican female sprinting is on absolute fire. And the question that we now have to ask is this: can these new sprint princesses challenge the sprint queens? Now, not many people understand how fast this team actually ran when they broke the world record at the Carricka Games. Well, let me put it into perspective. The time that they ran, which was 42.59 seconds, would have placed them sixth in the Olympic finals that were ran in Tokyo in 2021. That is how fast they were going. Now, the times being run by these girls in any other country would crown them as sprint queens and as potential representatives at the senior championship at the World Champs later this year. But this is Jamaica, and Jamaica is not like any other country. The holy grail for women sprinting is to be able to run the 100 meters in less than 11 seconds. To challenge, these princesses would have to stop the clock at less than 11 seconds. But can they? If anyone can, Clayton can. Clayton has run as fast as 11.09 seconds, and she is only 17 years old. Tina uses a style of force, determination, and devastating speed to conquer her opponents. She is definitely one princess who could challenge the queens. Another princess who could challenge the queens is Brianna Liston. Brianna Liston is also only 17 years old and has gone as fast as 11.14 seconds. She uses a style of grace, technique, and deceptive speed. Brianna Liston is definitely one who can bring the fight to the queens. One princess who has to be watched is the fastest girl in Jamaica this year, Carricka Hill. Carricka Hill, the Class 2 champion, has gone as fast as 11.16 seconds at only 17 years old. Carricka combines strong determination, smooth technique, and devastating pace to make her almost unbeatable. And there are others like Serena Cole and Clayton. These girls are very fast and will definitely look to challenge the queens. But the queens are on another level, another planet altogether. Last year, Queen Carricka Jackson was fast, and this year she could be even faster. She posted a time of 10.76 seconds last year, and she is only 27. Brianna Williams is another queen who will be looking to go to another level this year, and already we're seeing those signs. She opened her account this year with a 100-meter timing of 10.91 seconds. Although she already has an Olympic gold medal, she's only 20 years old. One queen who has no intention of slowing down is 35-year-old Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce only last year went as fast as 10.60 seconds, meaning the wine is getting better with age. And then there's that matter of the queen of the pack, Elaine Thompson Hera. Last year, Elaine Thompson ran a time of 10.54 seconds. That is deadly speed. It is so fast, it made her the second fastest woman ever to have lived. And that was a time many thought would never be achieved by a living woman. And those achievements meant that Elaine Thompson has been crowned as the Laureus Sportswoman of the Year. And so the princesses are ready to challenge. The queens are ready to resist. This year will definitely be an exciting year on the track and field calendar. But we know in track and field, anything can happen. So what do you think? Do you think it's too early for the princesses? Or could we get a surprise, a shock on the cards this year? Well, let me know in the comment section. Also, please remember to like and share this video, and of course to subscribe to this channel.